Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Today we're going to review the formal commands and also the formal goodbye in Espanol. See? So let's get started. We're gonna play this as a practice mode. We're going to have some guests. They're gonna play with us, and let's get on. So just put my name right here, Octavian, and we are good to go. So, formal greetings and goodbyes in Spanish and Espanol. And the first question is, how do we greet someone formally? Well, the only way we could use here is buenos días, señor, señora. Muy bien. Let's check the next question. Buen trabajo. Good job. What's the formal greeting between 12 and 6 p.m.? So buenas tardes, right? It's afternoon. Buenas tardes. Muy bien. The next question, what about in the evening? What's the evening greeting forms in the formal way? So since it's noches, obviously we're gonna click on buenas noches. Buenas noches. The next one is, how do we call, what is your name, sir, in Espanol? ¿Cómo te llamas or cómo se llama usted? Ah, usted because the formality. ¿Cómo se llama usted? Muy bien, very good. Now the next question is, nice to meet you, sir, madam. So we're going to use the mucho gusto. Now, conocerle o conocerte? Well, we know that conocerte is the informal way, so conocerle would be the formal. Mucho gusto en conocerle. Muy bien. Next question is referring to likewise. So what's likewise in Espanol? Can I say igualmente? Yes, I can. Can I say encantado? Of course I can. Muy bien, muy bien. And what about when you ask about an origin about a person, you will ask, ¿de dónde? ¿De dónde es usted? Because it's formality implied. ¿De dónde es usted? Muy bien. Good job. The next question, me too, in Spanish is, yo no, yo sí, también o tampoco. We're going to choose yo también. Me too, yo también. Excelente. When you introduce someone formally, you will use te presento a or le presento a. Now, these are the choices. Remember, le is the formality. So, le presento a. Muy bien. What about a goodbye for is adios? We can say adios. Can I say hasta pronto? Yes, we can. What about hasta luego? No problem. Nos vemos. See you soon. They all correct. Muy bien. Perfecto. Good job. Now, let's find out in Spanish, have a good day is adios, it's informal. Hasta nunca, that means see you never. No gracias, no thank you. Que tenga un buen día. That's the correct answer. Muy bien. And the last question, hope it goes well. The same as have a good day. But we can also use, obviously, buenos días and hola señora out. ¿Cómo estás tú? We'll go with que le vaya bien. All right. And let's find out The third place, Shima. El tercer lugar, muy bien. El segundo lugar, Robin, muy bien. Y el primer lugar es Octavian. Excelente, buen trabajo. Muy bien. Well, muchas gracias, chicos y chicas. Please feel free to subscribe for our next video, and I hope I'll see you soon. Gracias. Adiós.